Wilderness, raw and pure, can still be found on this planet. Places where nature has not given up its grasp on the land, standing tall against the pressures of human development. Join us aboard one of BC's oldest ships, the Maple Leaf, to visit such a place. Built in 1904, the Maple Leaf is a 92-foot classic schooner that journeys into the very heart of British Columbia's Great Bear Rainforest. Stretching from Knight Inlet, 260 kilometers north of the city of Vancouver to the Alaskan border, the Great Bear remains one of the world's most precious bastions of coastal wilderness. It is here that the waters of the Pacific Ocean confront the rugged coastal mountains, where the only skyscrapers are of wood and rock, and roads are replaced by rivers that, like the arteries of Mother Earth, connect the land to the sea. Accessible only by water, relatively few humans know the wonders of the Great Bear. The sheltered coves, the ancient giants of the temperate rainforest, the river valleys bursting with life in all shapes and sizes, all part of an amazing web of interdependence. Nine passengers, 5 crew, all on a voyage of discovery. A voyage that will mark their lives forever. And yet each one is determined not to leave the mark of humankind on this wilderness environment. For the Great Bear is one of nature's special wilderness places where it has been said you can still feel the warm breath of the Creator blowing softly on your face.